Ready?
I know.
3, 2, 1. Very nice. We're happy the school's gone through 90 solid years, and we hope the school goes through another 90 with the same enthusiasm and gusto. So thank you very much for this opportunity, sir. It's been a pleasure for the class of 90.
Thank you for presenting this to the school. It means a lot to us.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone for this fine gesture, and thank you very much, and for what purpose that stands.
Yeah.
Of course. The 90 years of Brotherhood, and go on for another 90.
Yeah.
Or more.
Many more.
Many
Take care,
more.
Jagpreet.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks, very good seeing you.
Don't trust any.
Yeah, we can play that song, guys, and let's take photographs also there. All right. Guys, one more thing I want to add. Yeah, I think guys, this also is for our other batchmates. Yeah. I don't even see
Thank you. This aspect ratio.
Did you meet him?
So he paused all his other assignments and he did this thing.
In the back.